An investing giant buying a financial platform is big news, but the price tag is often the most fascinating detail. That's precisely the case with eToro's acquisition of Spaceship. Spaceship, the Australian fintech known for its superannuation and managed investment funds, was snapped up by global trading platform eToro in a move designed to strengthen eToro's presence in Australia and expand its long-term savings offering. So, what was the cost of this expansion? eToro announced the deal to acquire Spaceship was worth up to $80 million Australian dollars, AUD. It's important to note the phrase up to. The final, publicly reported amount was not a fixed $80 million cash payment. Acquisitions often involve complex deal structures. In this case, reports suggest much of the final value was tied to eToro stock, and the full $80 million figure represents the maximum possible value of the transaction. Spaceship, launched in 2017, had grown to over 200,000 clients and surpassed $1.5 billion AUD in funds under management. While the $80 million Australian dollars figure might seem low to some, especially considering Spaceship's earlier high valuations, it reflects the market conditions and strategic value of the deal. For eToro, the purchase was about more than just the customer base. It was about instantly gaining access to Spaceship's superannuation and managed funds expertise, especially in the competitive Australian market. This allows eToro to offer a broader, long-term savings proposition to its users globally. In short, eToro paid a maximum of $80 million Australian dollars to acquire Spaceship, cementing its position in a key global market.